Okay, I'm gonna help you with a problem that I just recently more or less fixed, right? This is mental fog and unclarity. This is a problem that plagues a lot of people when they want to do like simple or like imaginative tasks. It's because they're doing some stupid, dumb mistakes. And I'm going to tell you about some of these and, some of the things you can do to help keep yourself more focused or more imaginative. Firstly, you're on your phone too much, stupid. The modern technology addictions that we have is making us dumber than fish by the day. Most people cannot focus for more than 3 minutes without any incentives or any reminders. So firstly, bring your screen time down and put your phone on Do Not Disturb. That should help immensely. That should be the biggest thing on the list that will help you. And try to make your screen time more or less just the essentials, like calling mom or doing a little bit of work. Secondly, you're either not meditating or you might not be putting a good amount of energy into it. At least 10 minutes of meditation a day. And I recommend Medito. It's an app I personally use and I think it could help you a lot. Thirdly, this is more or less diet advice. This one you might not want to focus do anything on if you're trying to gain weight or gain lots of muscle. Although you can still focus on and gain muscle. It's more just a thing of brain. It doesn't really help your body all too much. So you're eating too early probably. As soon as you wake up you eat. You should wait 5 to 6 hours. So science has showed that eating, and the thing that usually causes this is carbs or the fact that you're digesting food. It makes us lazy and a lot more unfocused and dull in our head. Whenever we eat, we get the sin, sloth injected into our veins, more or less. So you want to try and stay away from food for the first few hours of the day. And it's absolutely normal to slip up every once in a while on this. I've done it before, force a habit, you get an award or something and they give you a little cracker. Fourthly, this one you might not be able to do, and it also sounds like bad advice, but I don't advocate for you turning into a lazy bum because of this. Try to put the task, if it's really imaginative, later in the day, after 10 hours of waking. And you should feel more creative and whimsical. And it's because our brain shifts from an energy source to a different energy source. And this does sound like bad advice. But if you're writing a script or writing a comedy skit, this could probably help you a good bit. I'm, however, not advocating for you to be or still be a lazy bum. So, this last one, right? This isn't a tip on, oh yeah, don't do this, do this. It's more you should work in this kind of manner, this kind of time period. So this is called deep work. And in deep work, there are no distractions or no visible distractions either. And deep work is you sit down, but no distractions able to you, or there's no distractions visible or next to you. And you work for 90 minutes with the absolute most focus you can put into that thing. And it can be, more or less than 90 minutes. It's not like that weird technique where you like, oh, I have to work for 10 minutes. I get like a 1 minute break. And no, that's weird. Because your brain works in like 90-minute cycles, I believe. And when you're operating near that 90-minute cycle, you are in the most intense focus you can make. You will still get distracted a little, but you will be much less distracted. And if you still have to do more in that day, right, you don't continue going. Once you feel like you've done, once you've been around that 90-minute mark, it doesn't have to be exactly. Take like a 30-minute break, and you get back to work for another 90 minutes. You just keep doing that until you are done with the work or you're done with the day. So yeah, that's my tips for you to be like less mental fogs, less unclarity, and less like laziness, more or less. It's a lot less.